Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at the two-color Italian cast-on stitch, and this is a stitch that is used in brioche knitting, which because it involves a two-color cast-on as well as allows for a good tension used in brioche knitting. And so I have my two colors here, and I'm going to start off by making a knot to attach the two together. And I'm going to take my needle here and I'm going to have it set up so I have the darker color in front and my lighter color in the back. And what you're going to do to get then started is you're going to put your darker color having it go around your thumb and your light color going around your index finger and holding with the rest of your hand. If you're familiar with the long tail cast on, you will recognize that this is somewhat similar. And to get started here, I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to wrap over and around my darker color. I'm then going to go up and over around of my light color and twist it back around my dark color. And that will give me my first stitch here. Now, that is how you get your light color stitch. Now let's look at how you do your dark color stitch. You're going to go around the outside of both colors, okay, to catch that green. Then you're going to bring it underneath your light color. And that is how you get your dark color. I'm going to show these a couple more times here. So to get your dark color, you're going to go around, out and around your dark color, around your light color, and back underneath your dark. Okay. Then to get your light, you're going to go around both of them underneath, grabbing that dark and bringing it back around underneath that light color. And one more time around here, up and over, like so, and then around them both to get the dark color. So at this point, you're just going to keep going back and forth to get to that stripe pattern until you get one less stitches than what you need. This is not counting your stitch. It's going to get dropped later in brioche knitting. And so you are then going to just keep going around until you get the amount of stitches that you need, -1. And so once you have hit that point, and which typically for depending on what the project is, it'd be a lot more than this, but for this purpose's sake, to finish it off, you are going to twist your yarn. This is going to lock in this stitch so it doesn't undo this color, so it doesn't unravel, okay? You are then going to hold your dark color with your offhand, and so, well, hand holding the needle, and then you're going to take your light color or whichever one you're ending off with, and you're going to twist it and slip it onto your needle and pull snug, and that will be your final stitch. And your stitches should not be going anywhere unraveling wise, so that should be properly locked in then. And yeah, that is how you do the two-color Italian cast on. I hope that made sense to you. Please let me know in the comments if you have any further questions or would like to see any other stitches for in Tunisian crocheting or knitting. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Hope this is helpful, and I hope to see you again at my next video. Have a fantastic day, guys. Please consider liking and subscribing. Bye!